Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your data visualization with Tableau easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open Tableau and create a new workbook. Connect to your data source by selecting the appropriate option. You can choose from Excel, text files, or a variety of databases. Once the data is loaded, navigate to the data pane on the left side. Drag and drop dimensions and measures into the rows and columns shelves. This will create a basic chart, giving you an initial visualization. To enhance your visualization, explore different chart types in the Show Me panel. Select the visualization that best represents your data story. Customize colors by clicking on the color shelf and choosing a palette that fits your needs. You can add tooltips by dragging additional dimensions or measures into the tooltip shelf. To further refine your visualization, use filters by dragging dimensions to the filters shelf. This allows you to focus on specific subsets of your data. Consider adding labels to your data points by dragging a measure to the label shelf. To create a dashboard, click on the New Dashboard button at the bottom. In the dashboard view, drag your worksheets onto the dashboard area. You can resize and rearrange these worksheets for a cohesive layout. Add interactivity by using actions, which can be found under the dashboard menu. Choose actions and then add action to link different elements together. Finally, review your dashboard for clarity and effectiveness. Once satisfied, save your work and share your visualization with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.